reasons why there was no unemployment in the traditional African society. Now you talk, you tell me. The reasons why there was no unemployment in the traditional African society, Joel? There was no corruption, yes. Yes. Yes, there was no specialization, yes. There were no wages, yes. And this is good because in the exam, there was a question about traditional African society, and people were telling me about God, about going to church. And it is the traditional African society. Yes, so the reasons why there was no unemployment in the traditional African society this side, yes? Sorry? Yes, very good. Work was communal. Spencer? Yes, tell me.
Individual contribution in work was really recognized.
I can't hear.
Individual contribution in work was really recognized.
Very good. So, reasons why it was not there is because there was no corruption or there was no any evils of corruption. Also, all work was valued. Any kind of work that you did was valued. And then there was no payment for work. People worked in order to enjoy themselves, also so that they can be able to do what? To socialize. Also, people were not becoming professional. It was not specialized like today. You know, from here, you want to be a doctor. And from the instance that you go to the university and do medicine, all your life you'll be thinking about what? Medicine. That is specialization. Or you are from here and you want to do information technology. And then you go to do maybe software engineering. From there henceforth, you will not want to be a teacher at any point to teach people even about the information technology. You just specialize in your own what? In your own area. Also, individual contribution to work was recognized. If you worked, you were recognized. Each and every person were recognized. And then work was also divided according to your gender and your age. That's why there was no unemployment.